The energy market is continuously evolving with regards to its focus on renewable energy and sustainability, as an increasing number of energy companies is investing in renewable energy. As part of Volker Wessels, Visser Smit Hanab is closely involved with this development and has the right expertise, knowledge, and people to meet the market's ever-increasing requirements. Over the past years, Visser Smit Hanab has grown within the offshore wind industry, during which period she has a proven track record of preferred supplier of VBMS. The increasing demand for renewable energy sources calls for continuous innovation. This requires our clients to produce ever more creative solutions and concepts. Visser Smit Hanab bridges the gap between innovation and realization by providing our clients with our comprehensive experience and knowledge in both the on- and offshore energy markets. QHSE plays a leading role throughout this process, alongside the time and cost constraints of our clients. Once a project scope is determined, Visser Smit Hanab is able to produce all technical documentation and method statements, tailored to the requirements of the client. This expertise ranges from high voltage and fiber optic cable installation to termination and testing. Aside from our technical expertise, Visser Smit Hanab also provides support with regards to project, contract, and finance management, hereby taking ownership of scope of works whilst maintaining a high level of transparency throughout. The fact that renewable and sustainable energy is still evolving can be seen within the wind energy market, where no two wind farms are the same, with regards to their cable management, use of accessories, test requirements, and interface structure, to name a few. As long-standing service provider within the offshore wind industry, Visser Smit Hanab has insight into the challenges our clients face and advises on all aspects of cable installation, termination, and testing, hereby also providing detailed method statements for seamless installation of both high-voltage cables as well as fiber optics. The environment in which offshore projects are executed knows many variables and demands a careful project preparation and comprehensive knowledge of all relating processes. With our in-depth knowledge of the offshore wind industry, Visser Smit Hanab knows the critical items within these processes and can anticipate and react accordingly in every situation. Our project management is closely involved with our projects from the tender phase through to the final handover. This is to ensure that all aspects such as planning, finances, risks, and safety are monitored and maintained throughout each and every phase of the project. Project engineering and construction are intrinsically connected to one another throughout the project. Therefore, our project engineers are involved at the start of any project and join our construction teams during the project trials and the project's construction for an optimal project handover and installation. During this period, our engineers produce all installation procedures, task plans, and storyboards for installation purposes and are also involved with purchasing of the right tools and materials. To ensure that the client's requirements are maintained, we work with our Ask, Imagine, Plan, Create, and Improve method to ensure that the design is optimally engineered whilst respecting the project's constraints. Visser Smit Hanab trials the engineered installation of each project under its own management. This is done to ensure that the engineered installation, purchased tools, and materials meet the requirements of the engineered design. During these trials, the engineered design is installed by the project team members themselves, including the project manager, engineer, and supervisors. This ensures that all team members are familiar with the installation prior to the start of the project. During the project preparation, any clashes which were identified during the project trial are addressed and resolved. Furthermore, focus is set on certifying personnel and materials as well as project logistics, tools, and test equipment. Visser Smit Hanab manages and evaluates these aspects on safety, quality, and operability in-house so as not to be dependent on third parties. Visser Smit Hanab always provides qualified personnel and certified equipment, and is able to provide our service on short notice across the entire world. To maximize our service, we align our logistical processes with those of our clients, and are able to advise if necessary. Safety and quality lie at the core of Visser Smit Hanab's values. To maintain these core values, we train and certify our project teams and personnel in-house to ensure our clients are guaranteed professional safety-aware personnel and high-grade installations. Furthermore, we warrant our quality by incorporating drivers such as safety, quality, time, and cost management into our in-house training programs. Visser Smit Hanab provides services from the very moment a cable is fabricated to when a cable is tested and handed over, and strives to provide our clients with the highest level of service. Transparency and communication form part of our daily routine, and thus we keep our clients informed on all project aspects on a daily basis. Because safety, quality, and reliability are of the highest priority for any installation, we actively pursue the latest market developments in cooperation with certified agencies, cable manufacturers, cable laying contractors, and test equipment manufacturers, hereby keeping our test engineers up to date with the latest technologies so that they are well equipped to perform any required high voltage and fiber optic test. Visser Smit Hanab documents and reports all processes during our involvement in a project, so when it comes to handover, our clients know the exact status of the installation. We keep our clients up to date throughout our installation processes, handovers, and testing operations. To ensure this process is as lean as possible, we manage our own quality control management system, which is fully automated. This reduces administrative activities to a minimum, enables us to report real-time information, and keeps our focus on the work at hand. After completion and handover of a project, all project materials, tools, equipment, and personnel are demobilized. At arrival at the Visser Smit Hanab yard, the materials, tools, and equipment are inspected and recertified, ensuring a quick turnaround time for following projects and/or services. Visser Smit Hanab recognizes that during an installation's life cycle, reliability is of the utmost importance. We therefore also provide troubleshooting, fault finding, and retrofitting services for clients. Our client's installation is our concern. Our head office is located in the Netherlands, but we operate worldwide. If you have any questions after this presentation, please visit our website or contact our staff directly.